Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2019 on a 19-plate Seat Arona SE Technology. This is the 1-litre turbocharged petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in white with the black roof, and it's covered just 37,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this exceptionally clean and tidy Seat Arona petrol. July 2019 registered, 37,000 miles. For those eagle-eyed amongst you who follow our page, you'll notice that we've had this car before. We sold the car to a local gentleman about 5 months ago, and he's recently decided to purchase a Ford Fiesta from us, just because the Fiesta that we had come in had exactly the level of specification that he was after. This is a very high spec car, but the one that we had come in had even more spec on it, and so we've bought this from back off him and put him into the Fiesta. So nice to have it back. Really lovely example. 37,000 miles, 2 former keepers, excellent service history, 5 stamps in the books. It's been serviced every year from new. We've got these lovely 17-inch silver alloy wheels that are in pretty well perfect condition. The whole car is exceptional. It really is a lovely example. It looks great with the black roof. Very sensible running costs, 94 brake horsepower, 5-speed manual gearbox, over 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run, £190 a year to tax, as with all cars of this age. SE Technology spec, so really nice level of trim as we have a look inside. All the seats in really good shape. The car's exactly as it left us, really. All the door cards are good. 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors. It's got 2 remote keys that come supplied with the car. Carpet mats, which I think we added at the time. Automatic lights. Steering wheel's in really good shape. There's your mileage, 37661. You've got your trip computer controls. You've got your radio and Bluetooth controls. You've got your cruise control. Down below we've got a 12-volt socket, a couple of cup holders, manual handbrake, 5-speed manual gearbox, start-stop facility, which of course you can switch off. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks, SD card for the sat-nav as well. Down below we've got a phone charger, we've got 2 USB ports with auxiliary. Up above, air conditioning, and then up above from that, this is where it starts to come into its own. Massive sat-nav screen, or a big touchscreen system anyway, which I do very much like. It's got your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, again really nice, so you can do your Google Maps and all that sort of thing. And then we've got DAB digital radio, we've got Bluetooth for your telephone, voice recognition, and when you put the car into reverse it's also got a parking pilot that comes up on the screen. So lovely level of spec. On these Aronas you do of course benefit from having a slightly higher seating position, so it does allow for easier access. You've got really good visibility. And then as we make our way into the back, carpet mats again, electric windows, 3 proper seat belts, 3 headrests. Of course you get the ISOFIX as well for the child seats, so it does tick an awful lot of boxes. Volkswagen built, so based on Volkswagen T-Roc I believe. Parking sensors across the rear, and then into the load space, parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, all your spare wheel kit, and then you've got a nice flat load space with Arona load cover as well. So exactly as it should be. Really nice example. 2019 on a 19-plate Seat Arona SE Technology, 1-litre petrol, 37,000 miles, 5-speed manual gearbox, 5 stamp service history. Finance is available from just less than £200 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory, free MOT, along with 2 remote keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us through our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance group and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely example, was a popular car the first time round. I'm sure it will be as we go again. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.